Have you ever seen this word before? Asinine.
Mm,
Hello?
yes, sir.
Do you know that word? Have you ever seen that word before?
No.
No? Okay. Well, you have to be careful because it's a very, very strong word. It's not a bad word. It's not a word that you're not allowed to say, but it's very strong. It means extremely stupid. So it's a very insulting word to be used. Okay, but it just
Yes.
means very, very stupid. It's a strong, strong word for stupid. Okay? Asinine.
Yeah.
Can you read the sentence, Pachu? What is the sentence?
She regretted her asinine decision to skip study for the test.
Do you understand the sentence? Does that make sense?
Mm, so she regretted because she skipped the study for the test.
And that was a very, very stupid decision. Really stupid.
Yeah.
Do you understand? Does it
Yes.
make sense?
Yes. Got it. Yes.
Mohammed, have you seen that word before? Asinine.
This word, no.
Okay. Just remember to be careful because it's a very strong word. So only use it when something
Okay,
is extremely stupid. Okay?
okay.
Mohammed, can you say the first three words of that phrase?
She regretted her asinine
Oh,
decision.
just the first three words. Just the first
Uh,
three
she,
words.
she, she regretted her. She
Okay.
regretted her.
Okay. That's right. Her will sound like She regretted her. She regretted her. What's the biggest sound in that phrase? She regretted her.
Right.
Let's see. It's not she regretted her. It's she regretted her. Which sound is big?
Gr- Regretted.
Gre, gre, gre,
Right.
gre. So that's the accented syllable of gret, regret, regret. So it's not regret, it's regret, regret.
Regret.
hmm So this phrase sounds like this: regretted. She regretted her. She regretted her.
She regretted her.
hmm Say it one more time.
She regretted her.
Pachu, can you say that phrase?
She she regretted her.
Regretted her. Make that a big sound. That gre in the middle is very big. She regretted her.
She regretted her
Okay. What are the next two words, Pachu?
asinine decision.
Every time you say that word, I have to laugh because it's kind of rude. You have to be careful about that word. Okay. So I got distracted. I already gave you the answer for asinine. The first sound is very big.
Okay.
Asinine, asinine.
Asinine.
She,
Asinine.
she regretted her asinine.
She regretted her asinine.
Okay. What about decision? Is there a big sound in there?
Yes.
Where is it? Decision,
Decision. Season.
decision,
Se-
decision,
decision. Season.
decision,
Yes. Siege.
decision, decision. Okay. So we'll make that big. So we're building our big, small, big, small, big, small rhythm. She regretted her asinine decision.
She regretted her asinine decision.
Okay. Mohammed, can you read that whole phrase? She regretted her asinine decision.
She regretted her asinine decision.
Okay. What are the next three words?
Is asinine a rude word?
It's rude because it's very strong. Okay, it's not a bad word. It's not an offensive word. It's just offensive because it's very strong. It means extremely, extremely stupid.
There is another word like Jack. First word is Jack. Is it the same category?
You mean like jerk?
No, no, Jack.
How do you spell that?
Jack as
Can you write it in Discord? I'm not sure which word you're saying. Oh, jackass. Okay. 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 The word ass, ASS. Hope I don't get in trouble with YouTube. That means like a donkey. Do you know what a donkey is?
yes.
Okay. So really, the meaning of ass is just a donkey, which is a stupid, famous for being a stupid animal. So
Okay.
the word jackass is offensive because you're calling someone. It's like calling someone an. It's like calling someone an idiot.
But why it's Jack?
I don't know why. Well, let's see. Let's ask ChatGPT. That's a good question. But now you have to remember that when you have two words that are together, you always. This is why I couldn't understand you. Is the first word has to be bigger than the second word, so you have to say jackass.
Okay.
Let's see. Originally, let's see, jackass originally a generic name for a male animal like John Doe. Okay. It's just a word that means like a male donkey. That word jack is just a word that you put in front of ass to mean it's a male donkey and not a female donkey. That's all it means. Okay, so it doesn't have any
Okay.
special meaning. Okay.
Okay.
But jackass, that is extremely, that's not nice. Well, also asinine isn't, but it's not a bad word. It's not like an offensive word. Does that make sense?
Yes.
It's offensive because of the meaning, but it's not like saying "oh f" or "oh sh." Like it's not like saying "oh fudge" or "oh shoot." It's not those words. Okay. Do you understand?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So it's bad, but it's just because the meaning it means extremely stupid.
Okay.
All right. So she regretted her asinine decision to skip studying. Uh, can you say
Sh-
those three words to skip studying?
Skip studying.
Which word do you think is the in that phrase? Which word would you make big
Studying.
to skip studying? You know, I think it's skip. I think I would emphasize the word skip here. I think that's an important word to skip studying. Skip studying. Skip studying. Study. You know, it's funny because we could make this kind of big in study. Let's do both. Let's say skip studying. Can you try
Skip
that?
studying.
Skip studying.
Skip studying.
She regretted her asinine decision to skip studying.
She regretted her asinine decision to skip studying.
Pachu, can you say that whole phrase?
She regretted her asinine decision to skip studying for the test.
Okay. Now, in that final phrase, for the test, what is the big word?
Is a test
Okay, so you say for the test. For the test. For the
for
test.
the test
Mhm.
for the test.
She regretted her asinine decision to skip studying for the test.
She regretted her asinine decision to skip studying for the test.
Okay. Now, Pachu, how many phrases do you think you could divide that sentence into?
So she regretted her asinine decision.
Okay.
Yeah. And then to skip studying for
Okay.
the test.
All right. Now,
Yes.
in the first phrase, she regretted her asinine decision. What is the most important word?
As a asinine decision.
Okay. Uh, let's say let's. Which one should we focus on? Asinine or decision? Which do you prefer?
Asinine.
Okay, because it's an adjective, right?
Yes.
The thing is, it's such a strong word that it sounds extra bad if you emphasize that. She regretted her asinine decision. But okay, we
She
can
reg-
go ahead.
yeah. Yes. She regretted her asinine decision.
And how do you want to sound? Do you want to sound happy or serious when you say this?
Mm, not serious.
Okay, so you want to sound light or friendly?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll say this in a high way, but because we have the end of the phrase here, we're also going to have to go low by the time we get to decision, right?
Yes.
So, asinine decision.
Asinine decision.
Asinine decision.
Asinine decision
How should our phrase start? Should it start high or low?
is a high.
High, because phrases normally start high. So, she regretted her asinine decision.
She regretted her asinine decision.
Mohammed, can you say that phrase?
She regretted her asinine decision.
Okay, now if we take a look at the next phrase, what is the most important word? Do you think skip or studying is more important?
Skip.
Skip, okay. And how do you want to sound? Do you want to sound serious or light and friendly?
Friendly.
Friendly? Okay.
Yes.
So we'll try to keep the high tone as much as possible. It's a pretty short phrase. So maybe we can keep all of this high, but we should end low because most phrases end low. So to skip studying, to skip studying.
To skip studying.
She regretted her asinine decision to skip studying.
She regretted her asinine decision to skip studying.
Pachu, can you read the whole thing?
She regretted her asinine decision to skip studying.
To skip studying. Okay. She regretted her asinine decision to skip studying.
She regretted her asinine decision to skip studying.
Okay. And for the final phrase, Pachu, how do you want to sound? Do you want to sound light or serious?
The test, so it is serious.
Serious? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, but we have to start high because it's the beginning of a phrase. So we'll make that high. But then when we get to test, we'll make that low.
Yes.
All right. For the test. For the test.
For the test. For the test. For
She,
the
re-
test.
she regretted her asinine decision to skip studying for the test.
She regretted her asinine decision to skip studying for the test. For the test.
Muhammad, can you read the entire phrase?
She regretted her asinine decision to skip studying for the test.
Mm-hmm. Uh, Muhammad, can you make a why she skipped study for test question?
Why did she regret her
Let's
asinine
mm. No, let's just do why
decision?
why why she skipped test. Why she skipped test.
Why did she skip the test?
Okay, again.
Why did she skip the test?
Now in that phrase in that question, what is the most important word?
skip.
How about why? Because it's a question.
Why?
Why? Yeah, because you're making a question and you want to know the reason, right? So you focus on the word why. Why? Why?
Why did why?
Hmm. How does why plus did plus she? How does that sound?
What did she?
Okay, but why is a very important word. Do you agree?
Yes.
So we have to say it in a big way. Why did she?
Why did she?
Why did she? Why did she?
Why did she?
And then skip, that's another important word. Why did she skip?
Why did she skip?
Why did she skip the test?
Why did she skip the test?
Mm-hmm. Pachu, can you make that question? Why did she skip the test?
Why did she skip the test?
Okay. And let's see. The answer is because she makes asinine decisions. Because she always makes asinine decisions.
Because she always made asinine decision.
So she skipped the test because she always makes asinine decisions. Can you say everything together?
She skipped the test because she made asinine decision.
She always makes asinine decisions.
Because she always made asinine decisions.
Okay, don't forget to whistle when you say she. She.
She, she.
She skipped the test because she always makes asinine decisions.
She skipped the test because she always made asinine decision.
Mohammed, can you? Why did she skip the test?
She skipped the test because she made an asinine decision.
She always makes asinine decisions. Try again.
Because she did an asinine
She always
decision.
makes.
She always make she always makes she always makes
Asinine decision.
an, an asinine decision.
Okay. Well, we're not saying an asinine decision, not one. It's her habit. Those are the only kind of decisions she makes. So it's plural. She always makes asinine decisions.
She always make asinine decisions.
Okay. Pachu, what is the final word for today?